Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Miguel back again with another video. And today's video is a little bit different because the product that I actually have here is not any piece of technology like a cell phone or a tablet or a watch. This is actually a neck massager which was sent to me by Breo. Now this is the Breo N5 Mini, and if you've been looking for a portable neck massager, I think this is it because this is a pretty good one. I've actually already used this, so I'm gonna give you this review based on my experience of using this. And not only my experience, but I've had people in the office actually use this for a day or two. I told them to go home with it and use it and give me their feedback. And the feedback was pretty positive. And this has what Breo claims as a Shiatsu 5D patented massage. And what that is basically, it makes you feel like someone is actually massaging you instead of a machine. Now machines, whenever you're getting massaged with a machine, it's obviously going to be different. It's not going to feel natural. But one of the things that I have to say about Breo, specifically this model, is that it actually feels like someone is massaging you with your hands. And it's a very gentle massage, so it doesn't feel hard in any way. And sometimes machines can be painful. If you are, let's say, going to the airport, you have flight, you can go ahead and use it there. If you're playing games or you're reading a book, this can be a really nice product to have. Let's go ahead and unbox it. And I'm sorry for the mangled box because this came from really far away and it actually got a little bit mangled. So I apologize for that, bear with me. Now we have the massager here. First of all, let's look at what we have. So we have the charging cable, and the good thing about this is that you don't have to carry like a large adapter with this. You can just charge this simply with any USB-C cable. Yes, this actually supports USB-C like the iPhone 15. And we also have the manual here, which tells you a little bit about the massager, and then we have the actual massager over here. I'm going to go ahead and put the box down. So here it is. This is the actual massager, and as you can see that this shape is kind of like this. So I don't know how to describe it, but you can kind of tell that this is made in keeping in mind that this has to give you that hand feeling that I'm talking about. When we talk about the overall product, this is made up of leather, I believe, or imitation leather, because they've done a really good job about it. It has a very soft texture, which should be, because this is going to go around your neck. You don't want it to be hurting. And it's not too heavy either. It's not going to burden you with having something heavy. Obviously, it is a massager, so there is a little bit of weight to it, but it's not overly heavy, is what I'm trying to say. The way that this is put is actually just like this. So you go ahead and put it like this, and then you're going to go ahead and strap this exactly like you would strap a bra. I'm going to be honest with you guys. That's just how it is. So if you have a lot of experience with that, it's going to be pretty easy. You just go ahead and put it behind you and you lock it up. And I know that I look a little bit weird right now, but I'm sorry for that. If you want to lock it up, it's a very simple mechanism. So you go ahead and just like a belt, you go ahead and click it. You can also adjust the strap if you want to. And if you want to release it, it's just a very simple release button. Looking at some of the functionality over here, we have the remote or the controls over here. You have the on button. So if you long press this is going to go ahead and then start. Now you can see it already moving, and it's a very low noise machine, so it's not going to bother you with the noise. I know that's something that people are concerned about. So it's not really noisy in any way whatsoever. Apart from that, you have a mode. So this one and this button both are for mode. So this one is the speed. So the speed actually can slow down. So if you can see, it actually slowed down a little bit if that's too much for you. And then we also have this button here, which will increase or decrease the intensity or the force that this is actually massaging you with. So you have a little bit of control. If it's too much for you, you can actually increase it, decrease it. If you wanted to go a little bit harder, you have the option to do that. The most impressive part, I think, was the heating. If you look at this button, which is in the shape of a sun, if you click it, it's going to go ahead and start heating up. So if you have a lot of pain, if you're looking to relax, especially in the winters, now that we have a colder weather coming, not that we get that much here in Dubai, but if you live in a colder area, then you can actually use this, and it's gonna really give you a good relaxing time. This is the USB-C port. As I mentioned, this comes with a USB-C cable, and this is the USB-C port. It's very well concealed, so it's not in the way. And this will give you about, I think, an hour's time of massaging. This has a 2500 milliampere battery. It does have the option for auto off as well, so after about 10 minutes, I think it's gonna go ahead and turn off. It doesn't come with a massive adapter that you have to carry everywhere. If you have access to a charger and a USB-C cable, you'll be able to go ahead and charge this. You can also actually take this part off, which is the contact point or the cloth that's used to contact the massaging point over here, so that you can go ahead and wash this as well if you want to. I'm not going to go ahead and take it off completely, but you can take it off, wash it, and then go ahead and put it back on again. I'm going to go ahead and put in the description down in the comments below. If you want to buy this, they will actually provide you with 365 days or basically a full year of warranty. This will cost you $139, so just around 500 dirhams is what this is going to cost you, which is not overly expensive for a massaging product, because usually massaging products or machines are pretty expensive when it comes to that. So I think that's a very reasonably priced at $139. Is not bad at all. So yeah, guys, that's my review on the Breo N5 Mini neck massager. Let me know what your thoughts are about this. And I know this is a bit of a different video. Let me know if you guys want to see more of similar content. I know it's not the usual of what I do, but it is kind of technology. So I thought I'd go ahead and review this. So let me know what your thoughts are, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye-bye.